First things first, don't try this at home. See what that says? That's what you will be like if you try this at home. I'm a professional. Subscribe to the Patreon if you like my videos. I fund them all myself, so supporting me would be greatly appreciated. 3 things will happen if you subscribe to the Patreon. 1, you'll subscribe to the Patreon. 2, you may or may not get the STL files for the Flamethrower. 3, you'll be rad. Alright, let's get to the video. So right now what I'm doing is I took apart this lighter here. I took the tank out, and all we're getting from this is this valve here. And basically we will be making a trigger system to push on this, which is what releases the butane. And this idea is from Cool Contraptions on YouTube, and I'll link his channel right here. Yeah, he's got a really cool idea here. Got all over my hands, that stinks. So this is the valve that we want. So what we want to do here is not what I did. I spent days drilling, tapping, filing, 3D designing, 3D printing. Oh my god. And then God. More drilling. But you know, that's what prototyping is for. Am I right? Look at this. This is complete. It's pretty cool, good ideas, but well, actually, you do have to drill out the CO2 cartridge to fit the valve. Well, anyway. You'll pull down this lever as you fill it up. So that'll open the valve and allow the fuel to go in. And then you got yourself the fuel canister. I was going to do an attachment to my taser. So the CO2 cartridge was going to go in here, trigger system, whatever, and the arc was going to light it right there. But I couldn't get this system to work properly. It was just so finicky trying to get that to work. So I'm more moving into a self-contained model. And I'll show you guys what I've come up with. So I've designed this, and this. This is where my CO2 cartridge goes. That's where that's gonna stay. The handle here is designed specifically for the boost converter. And I did a video on how I built my taser. I'll link that right up there. So go check that out if you want to learn the electronics of the system to light the butane. But this fits perfectly in here, with a little help of my friend the file. This slides in here. It looks kind of stupid, I'll be honest, but you know, looks are not my first priority when it comes to first prototypes. So in order to get the butane out, this little lever pushes that valve, right? So this will come in here in this little groove, sit right in there like that, and pull it. And that's what this little guide is for. That holds the trigger in place. That'll be like the spring of the trigger. And then I'm having the wires route out through the side, nails, arc in front of the gas, boom, flamethrower. So these are the high voltage outputs of the boost converter. And if you don't know, a boost converter pretty much takes, it's a transformer, so it's taking the voltage and stepping it up a bunch. Dude, are you... So this piece that comes off of the lighter, it's not really releasing the gas that well anymore. So what I did was I designed my own. really scared. Finished, right? Filled, right? Time to test it. Alright, let's go outside. Alright, pardon the lighting, but I guess I'm ready to try this thing. My valve actuator here is what broke. So let's print one more of those. It's not lighting it. At this point, it's just a big lighter. I just need to fuel it up. I've got a new trigger system, new battery. Should be a stronger arc. No way. After that little session, the front of it is melted, as you can see there. So I can't really get the cartridge out. It works. I'm gonna make it better. Okay. In order to get a stronger arc, you need more current, right? So these can only output a certain amount of current, which is not that high, compared to a LiPo battery. So this is a 2-cell LiPo battery. This is 7.4 volts nominal. Made this connector. So a 9 volt to this Dean's is what I have this battery as. So the 9 volt will just plug into there, and the LiPo will just plug into the connector, and we should be able to have a better way to light them. Why? Why would I do that? Just connect the LiPo straight to the boost converter. Waste of energy. Uh-oh. Maybe my battery's dead. Battery's not dead. The connection doesn't work. Because why would I make that connection in the first place? I just replaced that 9 volt connector here with my Dean's connector, or you could just connect it with any connector that your battery has. I just happen to have Dean's on the battery. This should give me a lot higher of an arc, giving me fire. Oh. Oh my gosh, bro. Quite terrifying. But that's what we do on All Things Electric. We just make terrible contraptions. Don't try this at home, please.